Hello my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time joining me, you're highly welcome. For my returning subscriber, what can I do without you people? Thank you so much for tagging along with me. Today I will be showing you how to make these plantain chips. Now I'll be peeling off my plantain. So feel free to peel it off the way you want it. I'll be washing them through and then I'm gonna slice them according to my desired shapes. Now I'm making the long strips, which is optional. You can choose how you want it to be. So I made two types, the round one and the long strip ones. If today is your first time joining me, please remember to show me some love by subscribing to my channel and liking what I'm doing, and remember to share. Now I'm cutting the round ones. Yeah, you can use the little machine that makes it very thin. Here I prefer to use the knife because I don't want it so thin, so it's optional how you want it to be. Now I'm frying it. You have to be careful because sometimes the oil is bubbling, trying to overflow. Here you need to slowly put them so that it doesn't flow up. Okay, I'm adding my salt water. I forgot to tell you about this salt water. This salt water, I just add water with salt and I mix it until it's dissolved. So here as you're frying, you don't need to spray salt. All you need to do is to put that salt water into the oil and fry them. It makes the taste more even and it's always come out well. Some people will put turmeric, but I don't like turmeric putting it on my chips, so I want it more plain, only with salt. But it's optional. If you want it turmeric, you can still mix it together with the water and the salt. Here I'm adding the long strips. I'm not putting all at the same time. I'm putting them one by one because I don't want it to stick together. You can see. This is very easy snack that you can make on your own, and it's so easy. You can see it's quite easy to make. You can use banana if you cannot find plantain. It still gives you the same thing, but only go for the unripe one. Now it's all done. So I'll just show you the first batch of each one because I don't want you to stay long. As you can see, this is my plantain chips. It came out so well. So feel free to try it and let me know. You can send me some pictures to show me the outcome of yours. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye. Thank you.